AINI matiganĩte nĩ marĩkĩtie gwĩkinyia Kasarani Stadium for William Ruto's swearing in as the 5th president of Kenya. Na arĩa mekinyĩtie nĩ Shiru wa GP. As you can see here, she is looking lovely and she is also among the artists who will be performing today at the inauguration ceremony Kasarani Stadium. Mũndũ ũngĩ wĩkinyĩtie nĩ Muigai wa Njoroge, onake he is looking good. Ona Evans Demathew onake nĩarĩkĩtie gwĩkinyia. Ona Betty Bayo onake, here she is, here they are all together in one photo. Ona angĩ mekinyĩtie nĩ the Zabron Singers, the famous group, gospel group Zabron Singers. Na ona mũndũ ũngĩ ũrekinyĩtie kuo mũthenya wa ira nĩ Samido mena Julie Kabogo, the politician Julie Kabogo. Na Shiru wa GP kĩroko kĩa ũmũthĩ nĩekũingĩrĩte nenda-inĩ ciake cia ũkinyanĩria na kwandĩka ndũmĩrĩri ĩno agĩkũngũĩra the president elect ũrĩa ũgũkorwo akĩamũrwo mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ ta President William Ruto, akiuga today is the day we have been waiting for. We thank God for today's celebration. Hongera HE Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, and HE Rigathi Gachagua, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Na AINI matiganĩte nĩmeyumĩrĩtie gũkũngũĩra and to also appreciate these artists who will be representing us today at Kasarani Stadium. Atongoretwo nĩ Joy Janet akiuga, "Mom, your beauty is unmeasurable." Ona Mary Lincoln akiuga beautiful, Magishi akiuga beautiful, ona Shikaris official akauga beautiful, Moch wa Kamembe TV tuna Kulomboto, DJ Giant ona akauga looking awesome. Ona Portman the director akauga wow kung'ara nayo sis. Now we wait for their performance at Kasarani Stadium and also the swearing in of William Ruto as the 5th president of Kenya. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and best Kikuyu celebrity news.